You're looking for something that tracks not only how much endurance you're able to handle at the gym, or how many miles you've run down a marathon, or even how many steps you've taken throughout the day. You just want to know how fit you are, right? Well, don't worry, we got the perfect app for you. We, here at UWD, have created a tracker that not only tracks your physical fit, but also tells you how many calories you've burned and how many miles and or heartbeats you've gained. More the heartbeat, great, but best not to push it too much. I personally don't know how it works, but do you want to know how it works? Alrighty then, let's go!
A very quick and brief demonstration of our code for the fitness tracker. So the first thing, it asks for your goal for the week. Let's say our goal is 90 minutes. And then it'll show you like the menu where you can choose to log a daily exercise, where you can view a weekly summary, or you can just exit the fitness tracker. So let us log our exercise. Let's say for Monday, we did some yoga for a good 40 minutes. And we can add another exercise. We did some like jogging for like 10 minutes, and that was it for like our Monday. We did nothing on, let's look more exercises. So we did nothing, for example, on a Tuesday, but we did on Wednesday. We did swimming for a good 45 minutes, and that's it for that day. And then we can choose to view our weekly summary by selecting the second option, and it's going to like show your exercise summary for the week, for Monday what you did, and for Wednesday what you did, and get to the total. And it's going to tell you if you have met your goal. It's going to tell you great job, you've met your goal for the week. If you did not meet your goal, it's going to tell you to like keep it up and continue further. And once you're all done, you can either like continue logging more and using it, or you can just type option 3 here, or like number 3, to exit the fitness tracker. And then as you can see, exiting fitness tracker. Keep up the good work.
Hello everyone, I will be now explaining the theory behind the code for the tracker. We first start with variables. One of the first things we learn in Python class is that variables, they store data. For example, here, the 3 variables, these store daily logs, exercise type, and the total time spent. As we proceed, we see a while true function. So this loop, while true loop, continuously displays menu options and waits for the user to input a choice from 1 to 3. It keeps the program running until the user chooses to exit by selecting like option 3. So we proceed through the code. Okay, so as you can see, most of the code has input, again, input. Like there are so many inputs. This program heavily relies on user input for like setting the weekly goal, logging exercises, and choosing like actions from the menu. Each input is validated to ensure that it's correct in the expected format. Like for example, positive numbers for time, valid strings for days, and exercise types. If it does not match, then it just automatically prints invalid input. Please enter a positive number for your fitness goal. And we proceed through the next. So this is one function. We know that functions are like blocks of code that perform a specific task. They help manage your code in a more simpler format. So this is one function, set weekly goal. This function sets users' fitness goal for like a week in minutes, and it validates user input to ensure that the goal is like a positive integer. Log daily exercise as well. This function allows the user to input daily exercise details such as the exercise type and the time spent.
This program helps users log their daily exercise and track their weekly fitness goal. It's built in Python and it's designed to keep you motivated to meet your fitness target. First, we have some key variable like a daily logs store the list of exercise logged, weekly goal, keeps track of the total fitness goal for the week and total weekly time. Calculate the time spent on exercise. The program starts with the function setWeeklyGoal, which asks with the user that input their weekly fitness goal in minutes. It ensures that input is valid number greater than 0. Next, we have the log daily exercise function, which lets users log their daily exercise. It asks for the day of the week, the type of exercise, and the time spent on each activity. This data is stored in daily logs, and its total exercise time is updated with the update total weekly time.
About what can be improved, first of all is a mechanism of recording the progress, which can be improved by connecting the program with a wearable device that can track the time they spent on each workout and also determining the type of the workout, so to facilitate the process and save the user's time, as they won't need to input the data manually or to keep an eye on the time they spent. Secondly, the program can recommend a fitness plan for the user for the whole week that meets their fitness goal. The plan can be set based on some information based on the user's weight, height, age, free time, the workout that they're able to do, and how intense they want their plan to be. This can save the user's efforts thinking about how practical or achievable is their plan, or does it really meet the fitness goal that they have set. About what we were not able to do is we were not able to ask the user to set their target for calories burned, because determining their calories intake is a complex process. It involves tracking their daily food consumption because they have to log every single meal that they take and its contents.
Well, that's all, folks. I hope it's been useful and knowledgeable. Other than that, thank you for watching. Bye-bye now!